it was awful. People died, looked like hell finally arrived. But even hell probably isn't as hot as they advertise. Yeah, I just need to rest my eyes. I just need to rest my eyes. He said LA's such a strange place. People running in a rat race. People working on their own face while the planet turns up the heat. I said that sounds kind of like fun. Maybe I'll ride into the sun, put my faith in something dumb and even do it blind. Cause I just need to rest my eyes. I just need to rest my eyes. I said, don't you miss the ocean? He said, I hardly even noticed it. I guess it's harder to miss something when it's still within your reach. Sometimes I look up at the sky, see that empty space inside, a reflection of the night inside my soul out on the beach. And often then I think about him like I think about all of them. And I wonder if I'm going to wherever they've arrived. You know, it's not as hard to live without them as it's hard to watch life keep going. But I think maybe we're like that ocean and its tides, and I think I need to rest my eyes.